Hello friends, this is a crochet star applique. I have made this crochet star from this cotton thread. I am using the cotton thread. Let us start. I am using the 1.75 mm crochet hook and make one slip knot and make 4 chains. Count as a first chain and count as a first double crochet, and you go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet. Make 15 double crochet in this stitch. Make total 15 DC in this round. I have completed my 15 DC stitch, and go to the very first stitch and join it with slip stitch. Then second round, make 5 chains, 5, and go to the second chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet, and then go to the next stitch and make 1 half double crochet. Go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. And then you skip the 1-2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and repeat the same pattern. 5 chain and go to the second chain, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Go to the next, make 1 double crochet. Go to the next, make 1 double crochet, and skip the next 2 stitches. Go to the 3rd stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my star. And then you cut your extra yarn or thread, and you can use this star in your applique. You can use it in your fabrics or any type of crochet blanket or afghan. And this is very simple and beautiful star pattern. Thanks for watching.